Are you losing yourself just to avoid losing someone else? This can be painful to realize, but sometimes you become so afraid of being abandoned that you start rewriting your boundaries every single day. Someone acts a little cold, a message comes late, their tone of voice changes, and suddenly an alarm goes off in your mind. Maybe they're pulling away, maybe they're giving up on me, maybe I'm going to be alone again. At that moment, it is no longer just about that person. Your brain does not read it as a relationship problem, it reads it as a threat. And to survive, you start making your boundaries smaller. Something you said yesterday you would never allow, today you stay silent about. You hide your discomfort. You say yes to things you do not want. You normalize behavior that hurts you. Just so someone does not leave, you begin to leave yourself. But the only person who will stay with you for your entire life is you. So why are you giving yourself up for someone who does not give you the value you deserve? Look at it this way. Are you afraid of losing that person, or are you afraid of realizing that you are losing yourself just to keep them? Because boundaries are not there to punish people. Boundaries are there to protect your inner peace. They are the foundation of healthy communication, where both people's needs and rights can be respected. So setting boundaries is not the same as building walls. Setting boundaries means showing the place where you stop abandoning yourself. But when your sense of worth depends on someone else's attention, your boundaries cannot stay stable. When they are close, you feel relieved. When they pull away, you blame yourself. And without even noticing, every day you ask yourself, how much of myself can I give up today so they do not leave? This is not just a boundary issue. This is self-betrayal. If you would not keep someone in your life who betrays you, deceives you, or ignores you, why do you do this to yourself? Because while you are afraid of being abandoned by someone else, you may have already started abandoning yourself. Your boundaries are not there to keep everyone out. They are there to keep your self-worth safe inside. If a relationship starts falling apart the moment you respect yourself, maybe that relationship did not love you. Maybe it loved the version of you with no limits. And someone who truly values themselves understands this. You do not destroy your own walls just because someone might leave. Because someone who truly loves you does not disappear when you protect yourself. So, what is keeping you trapped in this cycle of self-betrayal? To understand it more deeply, you can download the free awareness worksheet in the description. I share practical exercises to help you break this cycle. And do not forget to subscribe for daily psychology content.